Welcome to our new listing here in beautiful Oceanside, California. Can't wait to take you inside to show you this wonderful single-story home. It's 2 bedrooms with a den and 2 bath, 2-car garage. This single story is going to knock your socks off. And I'll tell you, with the blue skies today, it's only fitting that we have these blue gates to lead us inside. Let's go inside and take a look. One of the things that I noticed when I first pull up to this beautiful house is the amazing landscaping. I mean, they've just done a really wonderful job with all of their plant material that they decided that they wanted here. You've got everything from succulents to fruit trees throughout. I'll talk a little bit more about those when we go back outside later on. Okay, let's go inside and take a look. Obviously, you have a security door, so you can leave the door open and enjoy the nice coastal breezes that we even get over here on this part of Oceanside. But as soon as you walk through the door, you have this amazing dining room area where I could just imagine myself sitting here with family or friends, enjoying a meal, having drinks, or just having some great conversation. On this end of the house, we have our kitchen. What I really love is this nice, quaint breakfast bar. You're gonna notice these quartz countertops. Great place to have your coffee in the morning, maybe sit here in the evening, have a glass of wine, or whatever your favorite beverage of choice would be. Inside the kitchen, stainless steel appliances. This KitchenAid stove oven combo, microwave, beautiful backsplash. It just looks so crisp and clean in here. You've got your dishwasher nice and close to the sink, very handy. And again, your window you can open up and really enjoy the breezes. Wonderful double-sided KitchenAid refrigerator as well that will come with the property. And then you could go right out into your garage where you've got plenty of extra storage, your laundry, your new forced air unit is out there, your hot water tank, etc., etc. Let's take a look at a few of the other rooms. Right off the kitchen, you have this nice little den, which would make great for an office. It could be for a baby or a small child. Right next door to the den, you have another bedroom. Full-size closet. What I really like about this room is the barn door that they installed as the closet door with chalk paint so you can actually write on it, etc., etc. Nice crown molding, laminate floors, and a full-size bath right here off your kitchen and your 2 secondary bedrooms. So back to the other side of the house, you have this wonderful living area with a fireplace where you could have a fire and enjoy the ambiance, watch some TV, or just sit and enjoy this relaxing area. Directly behind the living area, we have our primary bedroom. Really spacious. Look at all of the room. You've got a walk-in closet. You have your bathroom. You'll notice that the sellers really spared no expense on upgrading this as well with the travertine tile, the travertine stone look in the shower. And just like the living area, you have a sliding door to go right out and enjoy your backyard. Let's go out and take a look at the backyard. Like I mentioned, You have a sliding door in your master. You have a sliding door here off your living area. Really nice, peaceful area with a multitude of different fruit trees. You have some grapes growing, and you have some really wonderful flowers and plant life that really lets off a really nice smell. One of the things that I really enjoy about this backyard is being able to sit back here with this pergola that goes from one end of the house to the other and really knocks down that sunlight. And even if you were out here with a light mist, you probably wouldn't get too wet. I hope you've enjoyed this tour of our new listing in Oceanside, California. You need to give me a call, Tim Kirk, 760-704-9252 for your own personal tour, and I will get you in here before anybody else. Give me a call. Take care.